Hello everyone, today we're going to do XNX general question and how to. Let's dive in. Question. How to calibrate XNX using a handheld calibrator? The answer of the question is: to calibrate XNX using a handheld calibrator. 1. Power on, connect the calibrator to the XNX transmitter. 2. Set mode, put the XNX in calibration mode, usually via its interface. 3. Apply signal, use the calibrator to input known mA, for milliamperes, 12 milliamperes, 20 milliamperes, or pressure values. 4. Adjust, follow XNX prompts to trim zero and span if needed. 5. Verify, check readings at multiple points for accuracy. 6. Exit mode, save settings and exit calibration mode. Always refer to the XNX manual for model-specific steps. Asterisk.